Can I go outside now?
No.
Why?
Because we're not outside. Can you hang in here for a little bit, please? Not right now. I need some rest. Give me 2 minutes, okay?
No. No.
I see it's 4:50. 5 o'clock. Ask me again.
It's too fast. Come. Hey, I don't see it.
Aunt Ann wants to play too.
She's exhausted.
She can't keep up with you.
You can't even, you won't even know how to keep up with this one.
No, I can't.
You can't